Hello, welcome to this session. In this session, we are going to see one of the major and important component named interactive grid. We will be using this component more frequently throughout our applications. This component is used to design a form in tabular format. So let's get started. First of all, to create an interactive grid, I just created a new page named interactive grid with page ID 3. In that, I am going to design one interactive grid component. For that, I am right clicking on this body and selecting create region. So now new region is created. In that region, I am naming as interactive grid. Interactive grid. And if any title needed, you can give any title. So info or employee info. I'm giving employee info. Here in this type you can select, there are different types of default templates are there. In that chart is there, a form is there. So in that you just select interactive grid. So after selecting the interactive grid, then you need to give a source for this grid. So source is basically SQL query. So here you can select from the table name. Here the table name will be listed under that schema. You can select from this table. Otherwise you can write a query. So to write a SQL query, you need to select here under type. You need to select SQL query. Now the query palette will be visible. You click on this arrow button. You will open that code editor, SQL code editor. In that you need to write a query. So I am going to write this query. You can click on after writing the query, you can click on this validate button to validate your query. So once you are free from a syntactical error, you get a validation successful. And then click on the OK button. And click on save. So now you can see some columns are generated dynamically. So you just click on this arrow button. You can see employee, name, gender, department and salary. So we just given select asterisk. So in that table, whatever columns is there, we are just getting this column. To run this thing, click on this run button. Now you can see this is our interactive grid. So whatever columns it is there, we are just getting as a header, employee, name, gender, department, salary. And these are the things we are getting. So if there is a multiple rows, it will be, we can make this as a scrollable grid or a pagination grid that we will see in the later session. So this is the interactive grid. This is the grid for displaying purpose, and we can use this grid to get information, or you can use this as a tabular input form. So any other. We will see more about this on the following session. Thank you.